Radar across the valley still quiet tonight, kind of as expected. We thought there'd be a few sprinkles today, and that's about all we had. But I think as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours, those sprinkles are going to turn to outright rain. This is Future Track. Says most of the night is relatively quiet, but by 7 a.m. we start to see rain breaking out in a few places. But then by afternoon, it turns into rain, big time rain. Could be some thunderstorms embedded within this, and heavier rain will be the biggest issue, I think, more than anything else. Yes, some thunder and lightning, but heavier rain should be the biggest problem from this. And I say problem because you pick up 3 or 4 inches of rain, as I think a couple of places probably will. That could lead to at least some temporary flash flooding. So keep an eye on things tomorrow. Of course, you can always keep up with the weather on our weather app. But watch what happens. That rain works its way eastward. Future Track says that the heaviest stuff dissipates before it gets to the coast. You still pick up rain there, but not nearly as strong as what we see in the upper valley. But I really think we're all fair game for some showers, some rain, and even a few thunderstorms tomorrow during the daytime. Now, this is Sunday at 2 a.m. The only thing left is right along the coast, and then that goes away, and then isolated stuff shows up during the day Sunday, but the biggest part of the storm system is long gone by then, so the rain moves out. By Monday, we're back to partly to mostly sunny skies and dry conditions once again. Here's Future Track rainfall through 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Not much yet. The total's all under 1/4 of an inch with the exception of out west, Rio Grande City, maybe up to 1/2 inch by a little after lunchtime. But then as the day goes on, look how the numbers go up with some big totals, 1 to 2 inches in the western part of the valley, still less at the coast because it's going to take a while to get there. And again, this model suggests it weakens before it gets there. Not convinced that'll happen though, but still some pretty significant rainfall, and there'll be embedded areas of more than that probably. Again, I think some places could see 2 to 4 inches, but we're talking not widespread. That'll be more isolated. So 70% tomorrow. Carries over to Sunday morning about 30%, and then we're dry by the time we get to Monday. These are your current temperatures. Everybody's in the 60s right now. And if you look at the next 3 days temperature-wise, the average is up to 78, and tomorrow will be below that and then back above for Sunday and again on Monday. Here's satellite and radar together, and it's showing all the sprinkles around the area today. Push it back. Our big upper air low sitting back here still. That will gradually work its way eastward tonight into tomorrow, and as it does, the rain breaks out ahead of it. Heaviest stuff to the west and then moving through, and by 11 o'clock tomorrow night, it's beginning to pull away, and by Sunday, maybe some leftover showers near the coast, and then after that, that moves out as well. Then we see some sunshine likely for Monday of next week. We turn breezy and warm. This front could play a role in the weather the middle part of next week with a few showers once again. Headed to the coast in the morning, temperatures start the day at about 73. Windy there, easterly winds 20 to 25 most of the day. UV remains high, rip current risk remains high as well. It was choppy out there today, both the bay and the surf. 71 is the bay temperature. There's a low tide just after midnight, the high tide at 10 a.m. So tonight, clouds and a sprinkler or shower, especially later. And then tomorrow, we start with showers early, then it just turns into rain and perhaps a couple of thunderstorms. Temperatures stay in the 70s all day, even with the southeasterly winds. Showers linger into Sunday morning. After that, we're dry for Monday. Then the next front moves into the neighborhood by the middle of the week. It's going to be close enough that it gives us a chance for clouds and a few showers for much of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.